up, guys? Today it's Bonfire Night. So we're gonna go to a bonfire. I might do another video there. And some of you might be wondering what's that? That's like this little spot that I got on my lip. It's not that big deal. Yeah. So it's Bonfire Night, and it's kind of a good night to me, and sort of a bad night. Number one, for a bad night, it's loud. Number two, there's bonfires and you get warm. So yeah. So we are going to be going to bonfire, and yeah. So I might do another video there. Bye.